May gosh, kudos to Mayor Baste and the Davao City Local Government Office or Unit because 8 far-flung barangays receive a satellite internet. Po kaya, yung swerte naman. So the City Government of Davao through City Mayor's Office turned over a satellite internet kits to 8 barangays located in geographically isolated and disadvantaged area. So yun yung medyo bukid-bukid na area dito sa Davao City, no? So as what you mentioned, as what you can, if you can research, ano talaga, malaki talaga ang Davao City and hindi naman lahat nasa urban place kasi mayroon din kaming may mga beach din na area, may mountain ganun. So ganyan kalaki yung Davao City. So namigay yung Davao City Local Government headed by Baste, Mayor Baste ng grabe no, Starlink talaga. Mayor, baka naman, charot. Yun yung good governance. Iniisip yung mga iniisip yung constituents niya, yung mga tao niya, hindi yung walis-walis lang, okay na. Okay.